Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix a limited PayPal account in just 5 minutes. After logging into PayPal, you may need to verify your identity via text or WhatsApp, and then go to the Disputes and Limitations section and open the Resolution Center. So I will show you how to do that right away. Now, once you have opened your PayPal account, go to the Help section, and then once you are in the Help section, just scroll down a bit until you find the disputes and limitations. Now, once you have clicked in disputes and limitations, you will find the resolution center here and many reasons why your account may be limited. So there PayPal shows you why your account is limited and the exact steps needed to resolve it. This could include uploading documents, verifying your identity, or providing business details. Once completed, PayPal reviews your request and notifies you of the outcome. And that's it. Just keep your account information safe. And by the way, if you have been hacked in the past or your account is acting a little suspicious, maybe that's the problem and that's why your account is limited. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.